Hi, in today's video we are going to review and unbox the all-new Samsung the Serif Lifestyle TV. This QLED TV is launched in 2020. According to Samsung, Serif is only television that comes with inbuilt NFC, that is the near field communication technology. This TV is designed with Samsung along with Persian designers. This one is actually different from the normal traditional TVs. So in this video I'm going to unbox this one and I'm going to show you what is inside and how it looks like and what are the plus and minus in this TV. This one is the 43-inch TV. You can also buy 49-inch and 55-inch models as well. So we bought this from Samsung online shop. So let's see what is inside the box. So inside the box the quick setup guide is there and the inbuilt stand is also there. Here I have to say that the TV is designed that it can be placed in any flat surfaces, and there is also inbuilt stand which you can place it anywhere in your home. But remember, you can't wall mount this TV. You can check the features of the frame from Samsung if you need a wall mount one. And we are having this accessory kit. The accessory kit consists of remote, the power cable, and all other user guide, manuals, warranty, everything is inside, as you can see. I'll show you separately. Let's unbox the TV now. So this TV comes with a single color option, that is the white color, which is an extraordinary showpiece. Really love the color and the appearance and its style design is really awesome. Let's see how it looks after unboxing. As you can see, we placed it in the floor. So the base is designed that it can be placed in any flat surfaces. Here we go with the masterpiece. So now let's see what is inside the accessory kit. Here comes the power cable. And the remote. It is the same remote available in all 4K TVs of Samsung. The color of the remote is also matched up with the TV. Slim and unique design one. And this one is the NFC. All you need to just place your mobile in the place where the NFC symbol is given and your phone will be connected with the TV. And this one is the back portion of the TV. It is fully covered up. Hence, to access the port you have to open the back panel. In this panel we are having the power and volume up and volume down buttons. Now let's go inside. So now it's open and you can see the ports, USB port and HDMI ports, everything is here. So there is 4 HDMI port and 2 USB slots. Is the power cable slot. It is designed in the way that all power cables can be hidden and your room space looks very clean. After plugging, we are going to see how it is going to work. While on, you can see the Serif logo. Using SmartThings app, you can control this TV. So let's quickly finish all the setups. So about this design, this is an eye-shaped design. The iconic eye-shaped design is packed in a slim frame, which turns this TV into a smart masterpiece. There are a lot of features like NFC, multitasking, tap view is available. Truly this one is a masterpiece, which inbuilt Alexa is also there and Bixby is also there, so no problem at all while you are using an Apple iPhone or anything, whatever. This masterpiece have an innovation in audio too, that it has active voice amplifier. It automatically clarifies the voices on screen, so you don't have to break focus on the dialogues that matter through the advanced sound signal processing. Actually, it adjusts the volumes. Serif comes with the metal stands that is perfectly paired with its stylish frame. This TV looks good in smaller places too. Quantum dot technology in this lifestyle TV used nano-sized quantum dots to produce 100% color volume. So even if in scene is too bright or dark, you will see only the realistic visuals. It is the statement given in the Samsung. The color volume is 100% and HDR is 10+. The HDR analyzes each scene frame for adjusting the brightness for each specific moments. It consists of ambient mode, that your screen doesn't have to be blank when you are not watching, specially created by the designers. That the new ambient mode features 2 exclusive patterns inspired by natural world around us. It is truly inspired that this screen automatically detects the background color and makes a wallpaper, so it looks very natural and beautiful. So let's have the look on its picture quality. Next, we are going to see the important features of this TV, that is the NFC connectivity. You can easily connect your NFC devices just placing it over that logo shown here. It is so easy and interesting. Here's some 4K video clips for clarity. Clarity wise, it is an excellent product. The only disadvantage I personally felt is its height adjustment. Other than that, the product is superb and best. And finally, this Samsung, the Serif Lifestyle TV, has incredible display and awesome picture quality, and also with best sound system. And definitely this one is a worthy purchase from Samsung. Hope this video is useful, and thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more review videos.